Hello friends, welcome to Maharashtra Music Olympiad Association. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about Pandit Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande. Pandit Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande was an Indian musicologist who was the first one to formally and scientifically write down the theory of Hindustani classical music. Before this, the art form was propagated for centuries, mostly through oral traditions. Pandit Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande was born on the 10th of August 1860 at Walkeshwar in Mumbai. Though not a professional musician himself, his father ensured that Bhatkhande and his siblings received an education in classical music. After turning 15, Bhatkhande started learning the sitar and subsequently also started studying Sanskrit texts that dealt with music theory. Bhatkhande became a member of the Gayan Uttejak Mandal, a music appreciation society in Bombay in 1884. He studied here for 6 years, where he learnt a variety of compositions both in the Dhrupad and Khayal forms. He finished his graduation in 1886 and LLB in 1890, after which he briefly pursued a career in criminal law. However, music was just a leisure activity for him until the demise of his wife in 1900, followed by the death of his daughter in 1903. After that, he gave up his law practice and devoted all his time to music. He began his historical musical journey in 1904, where he travelled extensively throughout India to collect music-related literature. He listened to all the stalwarts of his time and created notations of the musical pieces, which he later published in a book called The Hindustani Sangeet Paddhati Kramik Pustak Malika. This series has 6 volumes. For the theory, he came out with 4 volumes of a book called Hindustani Sangeet Paddhati, which were then translated into Hindi and called Bhatkhande Sangeet Shastra. He also wrote 2 books in Sanskrit called Lakshageet and Abhinav Rag Manjari that spoke about ancient music, its qualities and its types. In 1916, Bhatkhande organized a large-scale musical conference in Baroda, which was inaugurated by the Maharaja of Baroda. This conference witnessed serious discussions on the fundamentals of music by the experts in the field, and the proposal to establish an All India Music Academy was also approved. The speeches made by Bhatkhande during this conference were later published in a book in English called A Short Historical Survey of the Music of Upper India. Bhatkhande explained the ragas in an easy-to-understand manner and composed several musical pieces that we know as bandish today to explain the grammar of the ragas. He considered Bilawal as his Shuddha Thaat and classified almost all the rags in the 10 Thaat system that we know today. Before he came up with the Thaat rag system, the Rag Ragini system was followed. He invented the idea of Lakshan Geet from the great Carnatic music scholar Venkat Makhin. He is also the inventor of the Bhatkhande notation system, which is being widely used by musicologists all over the world today. He strived tirelessly to organize many musical conferences and establish schools of music. The Maris Music College at Lucknow, now known as Bhatkhande Sangeet Vidyapeeth, was established by him in 1926. The main purpose of its establishment was to liberate music from the monopoly of the gharanas and make music education accessible to all. It was declared a deemed university in the year 2000 and today offers musical education in the fields of vocal music, instrumental music, dance, musicology and research and applied music. Apart from the Bhatkhande Music Institute, the Madhav Sangeet Vidyalaya at Baroda and the Music College of Baroda also require a special mention. He passed away on the 19th of September 1936. However, his service in the field of music is incomparable. He will always be remembered for helping the students of music see Indian music in a different light.